Ako'y isang walang kabuluhan. At lupa lang.
Galing. Hindi. Ba? Napakatindi naman ito. Ay, ang pogi ko rito ah. Ito nga ito, malakpakan nyo nga muna ako naman.
Yung letter po ng artist nasa likod.
Ito ng artist nasa likod. Ha! The Chichester with high respect and appreciation from Bat. Kuya, belated happy birthday. As someone who's also deeply committed to their craft, I respect the grind more than words can fully capture. Ha! It's the kind of energy that pushes others, including myself, to go harder and stay locked in. In sending you this painting as a small gratitude of appreciation, it reflects not just any work, but the mind I carry. Something I see mirrored in your journey as well. I wish I could have made it there in person to hand this over myself. But I'm currently tied up with ongoing art commitments that demand my full attention. Still, I'm hoping at some point in the future, our paths cross. I think that at some point in the future, there's something powerful that could come out of a real conversation or even a collaboration between us. Until then, keep doing what you do best. It doesn't go unnoticed. With respect, Pat. Maraming salamat po. Na-appreciate ko po. Gaya ng isang hindi importanteng tao, aking sasabihin, ginampalang ko lang yung aking tungkulin na gawin. Pagkatapos ng lahat ng ito, ako'y isang walang kabuluhan. At lupa lang. Salamat.